Here I have a question. Why is glass of window panes of very old building found to be thicker at the bottom than at the top? This can be explained here. As you know, glass is an amorphous solid. ग्लास क्या होते हैं? Amorphous solid. What do you mean by amorphous? Amorphous means that there is an irregular arrangement of particles in a space in comparison to crystalline, in which there is a definite arrangement of particles in the space. And solid that means it possesses rigidity. Their particles possess the property of rigidity. That's why glass is known as amorphous solid. And this amorphous solid can be converted into supercooled liquid. Supercooled liquid by the process known as supercooling. By the process known as supercooling. Okay, this is the supercooling process. That's why this is called as supercooled liquid. Why this is called supercooled liquid? Because they possess the property of liquidity. Liquidity, you may say fluidity. Liquidity or fluidity. That's why they have tendency to flow and called as pseudo-solid. Pseudo-solid means false solid. Pseudo means false. False solid. So, glass is an amorphous solid. Upon supercooling, it gets converted into supercooled liquid. Why these are called supercooled liquid? Because they possess the property of fluidity. That is, their particles have tendency to flow and hence called as pseudo-solid. That is false, but happens in the supercooling process. That is constant heating and cooling. That is annealing. This process is known as annealing. How amorphous solid glass get converted into supercooled liquid? By the process of annealing. What happens in the process of annealing? Constant heating at day with cooling at night. With cooling at night, it gets converted into milky, or it becomes thicker at the bottom. So this is the phenomena where the window panes of old building look thicker or milky at the bottom. So I will elaborate again why the window panes of old building look thicker at the bottom. This can be explained by the process of supercooling. But happens in supercooling, that is constant heating at day and constant cooling at night. And this process of constant heating and followed by cooling is known as annealing. That's why window panes of old building become thicker or milky at the bottom, because Due to constant heating followed by cooling, they possess the property of fluidity or liquidity. That is, they have tendency to flow, and that's why they are called supercooled pseudo solid or supercooled liquid. This is all about this topic. Thanks.